Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an easy and quick barbecue recipe for you guys. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. Let's light the fire and let's get going. Hey everyone, welcome back. We have these nice large pieces of chicken wings, the legs and the flat separated. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to hit them with a layer of sprayed duck fat. And this new rub I'm trying is called Heath Riles. He's a well-known competition pit master, very successful. We're hitting it with his jalapeno garlic rub. I'm looking forward to it. And the picture of the rub is coming up. Here it is. This is some good stuff. I tasted a little bit before I started cooking the chicken. Man, this is some good stuff, man. Very flavorful, a lot of pepper, a lot of garlic, and a nice jalapeno flavor. Heath Riles barbecue rubs. Family, if you're enjoying this video so far, please consider hitting the like button to be the first to see all my great barbecue videos. And all we're doing, spraying that side with the duck fat and coming around, back around with a nice heavy coating of the jalapeno garlic rub. It has everything in there, the salt, the garlic, those good flavors. And we're doing it on both sides. And I have 2 trays of these nice party wings, and they're going to come out great on the offset. That tray is done, and now we have another tray of them, and we're going to repeat the process. All jalapeno garlic rub, flip, all jalapeno garlic rub. And then we're going to go ahead and get the offset preheated and get that going with some oak and hickory wood. And this Shirley Fab is going to roll these wings and get ready for the Super Bowl. Flip and repeat and do the same process to the back side. And we're getting ready. Now we're about to head out to the Shirley Fab, get that big offset nice and heated up with this large insulated firebox, showing you this V basket with this cold bed looking like it's coming along well. Got a nice fire and it's coming up the temp. Here we are. We have the wings on the offset. She's running around 300, 310. That's fine. I'm okay with that, with these wings being, a little bit on the fattier side. Want to get these wings nice and crispy and smoky. Man, I can't wait. We're about to shut these doors and get the Shirley Fab rolling. Here we are. We're at the hour-and-a-half mark, and we're about to check on these wings to see how the color is coming along. I'm not even going to bother and tempt them. I know they're not done yet, but we have some good color coming along. These smells awesome. The Shirley Fab is holding great temperature with that oak and hickory mix. Man, these are going to be great. We're about to close these doors and let these wings finish cooking. Here's a quick clip of the Shirley Fab doing work. Unbelievable smoker. Great folks, great builders, great design. I really love this smoker, man. Everyone in the comments below, please let me know what is your favorite barbecue recipe you like to make on game day and on the Super Bowl weekend. Here we are. We're at the 2.5 hour mark. These wings are tempered anywhere from 170 to 180. Man, the smell is awesome. There's great color. It's coming along well. I really, really like this Heath Riles jalapeno garlic rub. There's some great, great flavor. A little bit different with the jalapenos. Not really big thing on barbecue, but it's really good. It brings some nice heat, some nice, nice flavors. Really, really like this. This came out well. That Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub will be a staple in my cabinet. Really like the flavors. My family enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.